CG Forge offers some of the best courses in the industry. It's often used by top professionals and beginners alike. As of recording, there are over 23 different courses to choose from. There's over 125 hours of highly refined video lectures. And you'll find over 97 different hands-on exercises that give you appropriate challenges based on your skill level. If your goal is to create awesome VFX shots like this, then the courses at CG Forge offer everything you need to gradually build up your skills until you're creating these awesome, complex effects. Unlike other platforms, you have the option of permanently owning each course by paying once, or you can unlock access to all the courses by becoming a subscriber. As long as you remain a subscriber, you'll have access to all the content on CG Forge. This includes all the things that have already been made, as well as future releases down the road. The nice thing about that is you don't need to worry about paying for multiple courses. You don't need to pay for multiple workshops as you're trying to develop as a Houdini artist. And if you're curious about one topic or another, you can easily bounce around different things as you're interested in them, and you don't have any interruptions along the way. All of this adds up to being more affordable, more flexible, and giving you high quality options no matter which direction you choose to go. The other nice thing about the courses is that they're designed to build on top of each other over time. They're designed in a way that is much like a curriculum as opposed to a random collection of cool stuff. Studying Houdini is just like studying any other complex topic. Like, let's say, calculus. If you want to be awesome at calculus, you should probably start with Algebra 1, then Algebra 2. Then you probably want to do trigonometry, buy yourself a pre-calculus textbook, go through that, and then you're finally on to Calculus 1. There's a lot of things that lead up to you being able to handle Calculus 1. And Houdini works in the same kind of way. You need to have a gradual on-ramp so that you're not right away overwhelming yourself with the more advanced topics, and you're not burning out by giving yourself challenges you can't handle right away. Now, what do you think would happen if you were a student that wanted to learn calculus, but instead of following a curriculum, you just went out and just watched random videos and there was no particular order, and hey, I saw this cool thumbnail and so I'm going to check this out and I'm going to go over here and then this person said that thing over there. If you learn in that sort of chaotic way, you're going to find yourself much more frustrated, much more overwhelmed, and more likely to burn out than if you were to just study things in a more beginner-friendly way and gradually build this up over time. This is why I created a curriculum with the courses at CG Forge. And here, if you start with the Houdini Fundamentals certification, the requirements here are going to be ideal for a beginner. Then, let's say you're comfortable with that, you would move on to something that's more intermediate leveled, like the Houdini Specialist certification. And by going through these requirements, you'll find an ideal outline of what to do next, and you're going to make the most of your time by taking on challenges that are also appropriate for your skill level. The last thing that I want to mention about the courses is that most of these courses are project-based, but don't get hung up on the project itself, because every course is designed to give you the tools to take these techniques onto any other project in the future. As an example, we have our friend Pinky the Pig, and well, after watching Hair and Fur 1, you'll know how to make this exact groom on Pinky the Pig. And if you download the model and copy me, you can make this. But that's not the point. The point is not to make Pinky the Pig. The point is that you understand the grooming tools so that you can take any model and understand what it takes to create and simulate hair and fur. Other courses might offer you tips and tricks on a particular topic. So for instance, they might tell you what the flip solver does and talk about this and that. but there's very few resources that go the full mile and actually make a project that can help you get a job, that get into the lighting complications, the shading complications. You really actually need to do a whole project to understand all the relevant issues at hand for any particular topic. And that's another reason why CG Forge stands out amongst others when it comes to this curriculum. At CG Forge, you'll have everything to forge your world. For additional questions, feel free to contact support@cgforge.com. And until next time, thanks for watching.